Filters and lenses. With filters, you'll have an awesome way to create and send snaps. Your filters should be turned on already, but just in case they're not, you can turn them on by going to the profile screen, tap on Settings, tap on Manage, and finally tap on Filters to turn on the option. As I showed you before, after you take a snap, you are able to add filters to it by swiping right or left on the preview screen. You can add colored filters, but more than that, you can add data filters. Snapchat uses information provided by your device, as well as third-party services to deliver relevant data filters. The data filters you can use are speed overlays, if you are in a vehicle, local weather, the current time, hours and minutes of the day, or geo filters. Geo filters are specific to neighborhoods and special locations. When you're taking a trip, you can find different and interesting locations to share with your followers. Geo filters appear at thousands of places around the world. Geo filters are not just about putting where you are geographically when taking a snap. There is more to it than that. There are two types of geo filters: community geo filters and on-demand geo filters. For community geo filters, artists and designers are encouraged to create and submit a free community geo filter for their city, university, a local landmark, or another public location. No brand logos are allowed with this option. For on-demand geo filters, businesses and individuals can purchase on-demand geo filters for their event, business, or a specific location. Brand logos and trademarks are permitted with this option. Something else you can do to your snap is to add battery life, when your device has a battery charge greater than 90% or less than 10%. If you want two filters in your snap, just hold your finger down on the filter you want, then swipe with another finger to add additional filters. These are called stack filters. You can add real-time special effects and sounds with lenses to your snaps. There are a lot of lenses. Even some brands create lenses to promote their product. For example, the movie X-Men Apocalypse used lenses to promote itself. When you are using the front-facing camera, put your face in front and hold on your face with your finger. Your face will be selected in Snapchat, and then lenses will be enabled. You can do the exact same with the rear-facing camera by showing it focusing live on a friend's face. With lenses, Snapchatters have fun when their followers are making jokes. Plus, you can use them in photos and videos too.